Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Digit for holiday budgeting. Are you planning for holiday expenses? Well, doing so ahead of time can reduce financial stress. And of course, Digit makes it simple. So let me show you what to do. First, create a new savings goal. All you got to do is open the Digit app, log into your account, and once you're in, tap the plus icon and create a new goal. Title something like holiday budgets or Christmas gifts, whatever it is. Once you've chosen a title, just go ahead and set a target amount based on your expected expenses for travel, gifts, food, and other activities. You're also going to need to set a deadline. So choose a deadline that gives you enough time to build your funds before the holiday begins, like mid-November or early December. And you can always adjust saving preferences. You can let Digit automatically calculate how much to save each day, or you can just set a custom daily or weekly amount if you have a specific budget in mind. You can also use Boost to speed up savings. So enable savings boost, or you can manually add one-time contributions to your holiday goals when you have extra cash. For example, tax refunds or bonuses, incentives, and whatever. But yeah, you can also track progress regularly. So check in on your savings goals to stay on track. Digit progress bar and notifications helps to keep you motivated. By starting early and automating your savings, you'll be fully prepared to enjoy the holidays without dipping into your emergency funds or credit cards. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.